Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone. Shiba Inu coin skyrockets to $5 in a single day thanks to the SHIBARIUM upgrade. Latest updates about Shiba Inus. A new meme coin that rivals Shiba Inu was born as a result of Ethereum inventor Vitalik Buterin's taunting of some crypto projects. Vitalik Buterin joked on Twitter last Friday, posting an off-the-cuff idea that someone could start a project called the Protocol. Watch the video to find out how the SHIBARIUM upgrade sent Shiba Inu currency soaring to $5 in a single day. Latest updates about Shiba Inus. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get the video started. On October 19th, let's check out what Shiba Inu is up to. After more than 2 months of trying, Shiba Inu finally broke free of the constraints that held it back from its trendline resistance. The bearish bias in the dog-themed coin has made it vulnerable to sell-offs from its near-term exponential moving averages. A buying surge was just sparked by the $0.00957 support, but it was unable to change the near-term negative narrative. The sellers may be able to locate new lows if the price continues to wobble below the 0.01A14 turn mark. In the previous day, SHIBA's value fell 2.82%, trading at 0.01013. The 20 exponential moving average EMA red and the 50 EMA were the targets of a brief bull run that began last week when SHIB broke out from the $0.0957 level. The buyers attempted to break free of the 50 EMA's grip in an ascending channel rise, while the bears weakened the bullish pen and setups breakout. Due to a pattern breakout caused by an unanticipated reversal, SHIB is now trading in the negative. Even though the 2050 EMAs were pointing downward, sellers might keep pushing for dominance in the short run. More losses might be in store before a turnaround occurs if the price bounces back from the $0.01014 level. Assuming this scenario, sellers would likely aim for the $0.0981 mark as their first significant support level. In the near term, the token could be able to benefit from a closure above the $0.010114 mark. A bearish invalidation and a test of the $0.0103 mark could occur for SHIB under these conditions. In addition, the recent price action and the SHIB and money flows divergence above zero indicate a bullish divergence, albeit the former echoes the heightened negative edge. According to this analysis, there is a chance that the next sessions could be a rebound. A rise in funding rates has been associated with a price increase for SHIB since the middle of June. Even if funding rates increased slightly over the last month, price action failed to generate a series of greater peaks and valleys. Furthermore, the altcoin has a 38% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin, thus it may be crucial to monitor Bitcoin's movement in connection to market sentiment in order to spot any bearish invalidations. Coincident with Vitalik Buterin's jabs at certain crypto projects, a new meme coin that competes with Shiba Inu was born. While kidding on Twitter, Vitalik Buterin posted an off-the-wall idea suggesting that someone could start a project called the Protocol. Buterin chimed in on the matter, saying that prominent members of the crypto community might easily promote a project just by mentioning it. Every time someone says anything, their shills can claim, "Look, so-and-so mentioned the," thanks to an initiative dubbed the Protocol. However, Buterin was also mentioned. The Protocol, an ERC-20 protocol, has just recently been activated. It is worth noting that the new meme coin's Twitter administrators have also followed Vitalik Buterin's advice. A crypto analytics company called Nansen has recently revealed some fascinating details regarding the protocol. The protocol appears to have taken a page out of the Shiba Inu playbook, according to crypto analytics firm Nansen. Along with that, they've chosen to award Vitalik Buterin a 10% share, giving him 100,000 tokens and making him the biggest holder. Surprisingly, the coin caught the eye of a few Ethereum investors. According to Nansen data, Vitalik Buterin is the biggest token holder with 100 million play and 10% of the total supply. Most of the top 50 non-entity addresses received their kitteners couplop. With only $0.00028 USD per DA, the decentralized Vision ETH was able to trade 3 ETH for 13,614.11. There is a lot of activity on DA from smart money. Just 2 hours ago, both sister of Vitalik and HXRDDH sold their DA. However, HXRDDH still has 2 million tokens in their possession. The price of DA protocol DA increased by an incredible 1,000% at the introduction on Tuesday, October 18th. At its current price of 0.E352 seems Sirens and Tuant City attempt to law. Hotbit and Mexi Global are just two of the prominent cryptocurrency exchanges that have listed the coin in less than 6 days. Also, in a very short amount of time, its market cap has soared to $33 million. Despite this year's crypto winter, the crypto community has shown, with the protocol introduction, that it can expand to other areas of enthusiasm. The price of Shiba Inu fell sharply during the crypto winter of this year, following a robust bull run last year. Exciting changes, though, have been occurring in the Shiba Inu ecology. More than 100,000 people downloaded the Shiba Eternity game when it was released on mobile platforms. In addition, with a trust score of 93 and second place on the Web3 security leaderboard, the Shiba Inu blockchain was established. Meme coin trading activity could get a rise with the arrival of Shiba Inu's competitor. Satoshi Kusama, the developer of Shiba Inu, disclosed last week the connection between Shiba Eternity and the next Shibarium. We anticipate that the Shiba Inu ecosystem will pivot around the Layer 2 solution. In addition to making gas fee token and Bone Shiba swap more useful, the upgrade will power ship the metaverse. The developers behind Shibarium X-Fund will release their main core upgrade on October 19, 2022. Twitter rumors have claimed that the Shibarium testnet might be live by October 26, 2022, according to certain Shiba Army soldiers. Lead developer Satoshi Kusama took the time to explain the delay on Discord. However, the launch is now set to take place at the end of the following quarter. There was an immediate escalation of tensions inside the Shiba Army as several members voiced their disapproval of the mysterious programmer's conduct and demanded that Satoshi Kusama resign. The discontents were swiftly met by Kusama's rebuttal, as she stated, "People say I should step down and I say they should step up." Additionally, the head developer admitted that it has been challenging, exhausting, and risky to construct a structure that can adequately support the Shiba Inu ecosystem. In spite of the complaints, last week was a memorable one for the Shiba Army. Coinbase and Google Cloud announced a partnership that includes Shiba Inus. The ruling effectively allows major corporations to accept payments in the top 20 cryptocurrencies, including Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and other famous meme coins. Shiba Inu, the cryptocurrency ranked 12th by market capitalization, is trading at 0.001036 USD as of this writing, according to CoinGecko, showing a modest increase of 1% over the past day. Finally, despite the issues with SHIBARIUM, the price of Shiba Inu has stayed above the important 0.0010 support level. Efforts to remain afloat have mainly been spearheaded by the SHIB Army, which has burned up 50 million of its cherished K9 tokens in the past day alone. The daily increase in the burn rate of Shiba Inus is 584.32% as of this writing. The much-anticipated card game Shiba Eternity, developed by Shiba Inu, finally became available for worldwide download on October 6, 2022. The head developer, Satoshi Kusama, inspired the SHIB Army to download the highly anticipated card game on all devices in preparation for the store break. This way, anyone outside of the crypto realm can hear the community's powerful voice. As the Shiba Eternity card game quickly overtook the traditional Uno in just a few short hours, it appears that the enigmatic chief developer's plot has come to fruition. Shiba Eternity also gained a lot of fans among Android users quite fast. Shiba Eternity has surpassed Yu-Gi-Oh! Edition, Golden Card Merge, and Beta Xing Play to become the one new release badge on Google Play. Take Shiba Eternity as an example. It's an iOS game with 449 reviews and a 4.95 rating. Some players were so pleased with the game that they were willing to give it 5 stars after playing it. "I am blown away by the quality," remarked Samper Sage, an iOS user. Conversely, following only one day of release, the Android version of Shiba Eternity has amassed an enormous 5,940 reviews. Even though many players have reported issues, the card game nevertheless maintains a 4.9 out of 5 on Google Play. Focused primarily on chests, the day came to an end with that. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.